Hey, this is Raul from Tutor Ming, and today we're talking about what to say when you meet friends in Chinese. So, first of all, 朋友 means friend in Chinese. One more time, 朋友. If you want to say, I will be meeting some friends, you can say, 我会跟朋友见面. I will, with friends, see face or meet. Once again, 我会跟朋友见面. So what do you say when you actually meet them? Well, if you haven't seen him in a while, you can say 好久不见. 好久不见. Long time no see. One more time, 好久不见. Another common scenario, especially if you first arrive to the place where you're supposed to meet, and once your friend arrives, you would say 你来了. 你来了. You arrived. Once again, 你来了. With close friends, you wouldn't really use 你好, hello, in Chinese. You would mostly state the obvious, like 你来了. Or you could ask the mother of all questions, 你吃了吗? 你吃了吗? Did you eat? And this is simply showing that you care about the other person's well-being, since eating is one of the most basic needs for people. 你吃了吗? And people will respond if they did eat or not, and if they haven't, you guys can go eat something together. How about how are you? Technically speaking, 你好吗 is how are you? Although, to be very honest, it's very uncommon to hear that, especially with friends. Something more colloquial to say would be 最近好吗? Literally, recently good? And this, of course, means how have you been lately? 最近好吗? And of course, there's so many more things you can say with friends, so make sure to check out tutorming.com for an actual Chinese class and get started with speaking with native Chinese speakers. Bye-bye.